Alright guys, ayan, once again, welcome to Santa Maria Super City 2024. And now, syempre, for our national costume. Right, to start with our first candidate.
Nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? At wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. The physical attribute of a person in time will change, but the goodness and the greatness of the heart will definitely last for a lifetime. By the way, my name is Miss Mikay Bautista. Just only 18 years old. You're half Filipina and half Pakistan. Puturi all the way last from the rising city, San Jose del Monte, province of Bulacan. And I'm very proud and humble to say that I am your Miss International Queen Philippines, fourth runner-up. But tonight, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and only, your Miss Universe Philippines 2020. Yes, I am your Miss Rabia Mateo.
Alam mo kanina ko pa,
Miss Rabia Mateo na nag-iwan ng kasabihan, hindi bastos, ngunit inyong kapupulutan ng aral, na mahirap mong magpakababae, kung di ka tunay na babae. At mahirap din mong magpakalalaki, kung di ka tunay na lalaki. Ngunit mas mahirap magpakatao, kung di ka tuturing at respeto bilang isang tao. Again, I am your candidate number 1, saying, kung maganda ka, mag-number 1 ka. Thank you!
Everything we want, put the party down at the real star. Cause she bad girl, mashing up the thing. Say that you're not cheap, cause you are the boss.
Many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle and public display, we transgender women band history, and that is our story. Tonight, we celebrate human diversity and exert our uniqueness. All the way last from the home where freedom and martyrdom began, Cavite City. This is Kim Mendoza Sumawat, at 21 years of age and a Bachelor of Arts in Communication, major in broadcasting at one of the finest university in the Philippines, from the home of the Tamaraws, Far Eastern University. Once again, this year candidate number 2, Kim Mendoza Sumawat, saying to all the people that continuously belittling homosexuality, hear me as I say, look what you made us do. As the newest heroes of the 21st century, we are now more braver, fiercer, and stronger to unify, galactify, and unify one's galaxy. Once again, good evening and enjoy the show.
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay at lalong wala pong maaagawan ng jowa. Dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe that the physical attributes of a person is time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts. because your thoughts may become your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and defines one's destiny. Call me Yunil Tarayna Cebucha, a 22-year-old stunner, all the way last from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took a Bachelor of Arts in English Languages Studies. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changers, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since there is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa telepantasering Encantadia bilang si Sangre Lira at ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos ay nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is proud to represent the Basketry Festival of the Philippines from the province of Bohol. But this costume is not just an ornament, but this is an instrument to amplify the call for better opportunities for our agricultural laborers or magsasaka, and to definitely ask, nasa na po ang ipinangako 20 pesos na bigas. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Ang taas ng mic. I am not here to prove that I am born beautiful, nor for a title, because I always believe that beauty is subjective. It is always how you carry yourself and your confidence from within. My name is Juliana Pariskova Segovia! I am your It's Showtime Miss Q&A first Hall of Famer and first Grand Winner! And tonight, I will not stand by the name of any of the female celebrity in show business, because I am part of the show business. I am a Viva artist, a proud graduate from the University of the Cordillera, took up AB Mass Communication, major in journalism. At ngayong gabi, sa lahat ng nanonood, hangad ko po ang mapasaya kayo. Sa mga hurado, magandang gabi po. Meron lamang po akong munting pakiusap para sa inyo. Huwag niyo lang po ako paaabutin hanggang dulo. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng isang magandang laban. At para sa mga kandidata sa likuran, tunay ng nakakapangamba, kalaban ang magaganda. Pero pag talento at talino na ang pinag-usapan, kayong lahat sa likuran, tapusin na natin ang laban! At meron din akong espesyal na mensahe para sa lahat ng nagwagwapuhan dito sa Barrio Santa Maria. Boys, imbis na mag-girlfriend kayo, ako na lang ang jowain niyo. Pag nag-girlfriend kayo at nakipag-date kayo, gagastos kayo. Pero pag ako ang naging jowa nyo, isang kindat mo lang mula ulo hanggang paa. May Jordan ka na, may NMAX ka pa! Kung loyal ka, buhay pa pati ang iyong pamilya. Ipagmalaki mo lang ako bukas, nasa Viva Max na tayo! Alright, thank you!
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po ba hiyawan dyan? Wala po ba pagkain dyan? Happy? Hare? Saan ka punta? Maraming salamat po. From north to south, from east to west, up the highest mountain and down the deepest sea, and I'm gonna come out of my amazing cocoon and be part of this extravagant night. Maya pabeni po kaya kayo nga, ano should I say? A pleasant evening to each and everyone, to the honorable panel of judges. Now, sir, and to everyone who is watching, magandang gabi po. Standing before you is a fresh and innocent. I'm a 25-year-old stunner hailing all the way from Paniki, Tarlac. I am a graduate with a bachelor's degree in secondary education and a licensed teacher. This is Miss Yegla before in your life. But tonight's affair, please, to allow me as I stand by the name. Bakit di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang babae na nagpauso na bawal tayong lumabas. Ang inyong chinita princess, Miss Kim Chu. Maraming salamat po. And Miss Kim Chu nagpapaalala na dati ang babae tinitignan kung maganda. Ngayon, pag maganda, tinitignan kung babae. Pag ang nanay mo ngumiti ng matamis, malamang nagsweldo sa 4-piece. Pero pag si nanay palaging galit, sigurado, natalo yan sa tong-it. Kidding aside, honorable panel, tonight I am very proud to say that my costume is inspired by one of the festivities of the Philippines, the Paru-Paru Festival of Zamboanga City. Thank you so much and enjoy the show. Give the man a fish, and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, and he will live for a lifetime. A glorious evening to each and everyone.
My name is Aya Garcia, a 24 years old singer, all the way from the gentle people of Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. I am a product endorser and a proud Viva Max artist who do believe that the best thing to be accepted is to be yourself. Again, I'm Aya Garcia, sending by the name of one of the most prettiest faces ABS-CBN has ever produced. Ako po, ang babaeng bawal hawakan. Baka hindi nyo na mabitawan. Ang babaeng bawal titigan. Baka inyong hanap-hanapin. Inosente sa paningin, pero maladyosa ang dating. Ako po ang babaeng bumighani at pumukaw sa natutulog na puso ni Mr. Kyle Echari, ang bagong pantasya ng bayan. Your one and only Miss Andrea Brillantes. Andrea Brillantes po na nag-iwan ng mga kasabihang di bali na pong tawaging baklang mukhang babae. Kesa naman po pasintabi sa mga babaeng mukhang bakla. Maraming salamat po.
AKA
Baklam na ko, inyong paningin, bakit hindi niyo ako subukang mahalin kapag hindi kayo lumigaya sa aking piling? Tsaka, alam po ako, lubos ang lisanin. My name is Colleen Monte Carlo, but tonight, please do allow me to stand with the name of your one and only. Ang babaeng may hawak ng brilyante ng lupa at ang inyong makabagong orduha. Bakit hindi ho natin sabay-sabay isigaw at palakpakan si Miss Binibining Sanya Lopez? Sanya Lopez na naniniwala na bakla, bading, o charing-charing, anumang hong lait ang itawag niyo sa amin. Amin ang gabing ito at mananatiling tagahanga lamang ho namin kayo. Dahil mula dito sa entabladong ito at sa magkabilaang dulong ito, amin ang entabladong ito. Kaya ngayong gabi, tapusin na po natin ang pagandahan. Dahil nga sabi nga ni candidate Pariscoba, tatapusin niya na daw ang laban, pero nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po.
Ang perlas ng silangan ay may kita sa karagatan. Ang perlas ng kagandahan ay may kita sa inyong harapan. A miraculous evening to everybody. My name is Janro Martinez. Janro is a fresh, indeed innocent, 20-year-old stunner. All the way last from the historical places of Man, Daluyong City. At opo, ako nga pa ang napanood nyo sa digital ad ng Pantene Philippines with Miss Kevin Balot bilang Pantene Girl. At ang tinaguriang Batang Condesera. But for the night, let me stand by the name. Minsan nyo na po akong napanood sa kadenang ginto. At ang babaeng minsan nang nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Kyle Echari. Opo, ako nga po ang nag-iisang Miss Francine Diaz. Ang Francine na nagsasabing hindi mo lang kailangan
ng shabu, cocaine, o marijuana, kung sa akin pa lang, boom, sabog ka na. Once again, good evening, enjoy the show, and I love you all. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sa kinalayo-layo po ng aking pinagmulan, wala po bang palakpakan at nilawagdaan? Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, minsan na po akong napanood sa probinsyano bilang makmak. Opo, nilipad din po ako bilang Super B. Ang nag-iisang anak-anakan ni Vice Ganda. Opo, ang nag-iisang Miss Aura Brigela. Aura Brigela ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang sa inyong harapan. Kung mga babae ay taga-ubos ng lakas, kung ang mga lalaki naman ay manananggal ng lakas. Pwes, kami mga kabaklaan ay nagsisilbing tiktik. Tiktik na kailangan ay hindi titikim ng mga babahong tiktik. By the way, sa ngalan nga po pala itong apat itong sulok itong itubladong ito. Opo, ako nga po ang minsan lang nakita sa probinsyano. Opo, ang nag-iisang dancer sa inyong harapan. At dancer na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang bago po ako bumabado dito sa itubladong ito. Kung ang mga lalaki ay fried rice, so ang mga babae naman ay plain rice. Pwes kami mga baklaan ay nagsasabing NFA lamang. Sa oras ng kagipitan, bakla ang binabalik-balikan. And I thank you.